Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to continue our work with multiplication, which is a whole new operation you're learning in third grade. So very exciting. So let's get to work here. Please take out your math packet that your teacher would have given you and turn to this page, which says Tuesday Word Problem Practice. Okay, so let's read it. Actually, you know what? You read it, and then I'll read it. Okay, so you read it first, and then I'll read it. So pause the video if you need to. All right, so what is this asking us? What is this about? All right, so it says, at Paolo's birthday party, he had 4 friends. So can you visualize or picture him with 4 of his friends? And they all ate 3 pieces of pizza. I don't know if it was pepperoni or sausage or just cheese, but he had pizza, right? And the question is, how many total pieces of pizza did they eat? So this is a good word problem for multiplication. So let's take a look. We're going to draw a picture to show how you solved it. So what I would like you to do, boys and girls, is draw a picture of Paolo and his 4 friends, okay, showing that they each ate 3 pieces of pizza. So if we go back to yesterday, right, we drew things this way. This is one way to draw it, right? Okay, and we also drew it like this with rectangles and dots. Maybe you want to draw it a different way. Okay, so you draw it the way that you think. Okay, so pause the video now and then try drawing it, and then when you come back, we'll work on it together. Okay, so go ahead and do that, please. All right, so welcome back. You should have already drawn something. So there's different ways you could draw this, right? So one way that I might do it is I would draw 4 friends. I might represent them each as like a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? They've all got hair. Except that there's not just 4 of them, are there? It's 4 of his friends and Paolo, so let's include him as well, right? Put him here. Uh-oh, I'm in the way of Paolo. Let's move me down. There we go. Okay? So each of them ate how many pieces? 3 pieces of pizza. So you could draw 3 pieces in each. That's one way to do it, right? 3 big. Each piece is pretty big. So there's a piece here. There's a piece here. There's a piece here. Here. So each person ate 3 pizzas, right? So there's 3 pieces for each person. Okay. Or here's another way you might have drawn it. You might have drawn a circle or a rectangle. I'm going to do another circle, 2. So there's 5 of them because it's Paolo and his 4 friends. And then you could have just written in the number 3, right? So let's say his friend, I don't know, like Sammy ate 3 pieces, and Johnny ate 3, and Lucas ate 3, and Paolo ate 3. They all ate 3. Okay? So now we have to figure out, right, our number sentences. So we still haven't answered the question, right? How many total pieces of pizza did they eat? Well, they ate 3 plus 3 more, plus 3 more, plus 3 more, plus 3 more, plus 3 more. So 5 of them ate 3 pieces. So again, remember yesterday I said skip counting is really helpful. So 3, 6, 9, 12, that would be 15. That's what I got. Now up here, you could actually count the number. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got 15 up here and down here. Oh wait, let me move this so you can, let me move me out of the way again so you can see it. Okay? So the deal with multiplication is it's a really powerful way of solving problems more quickly, okay, and accurately. All right, so our number sentence here, we have how many groups? We have 5 groups or 5 people. In this case, your groups are your people. So there's 5 people, and they each ate 3 pieces. So 5 groups of 3 is the same as, we know, 15. Okay, so you want to write that down. And then down here we have 5. That means 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, so pause the video if you need to catch up. And when you've caught up to me, come on back. All right, so if we go to the next page, there's another word problem. I'm going to read it to you, and your job is to finish it after the video, okay, the same way that we did it. Or you can draw it one of the ways that I did it, or maybe you have a different way of drawing it. Okay, so at Maria's birthday party, she had 5 friends. So there's Maria and 5 friends. So how many people are there? 6, right? 6 people. So visualize that in your head, 6 people. And they all ate 2 pieces of pizza. So how many total pieces of pizza did they eat? Some of you may already know, but I do want you to show me with a set drawing, okay? Equal groups, like we did on the previous page. And then I want you to fill in the number sentences down here. How many groups of is the same as, and what times what equals what? Okay? All right, for now, please turn to this page, which says at the top, Tuesday practice. Okay, and it says, again, if you need to pause the video to catch up, just please do that. Okay, it says draw sets, rectangles and circles to help you solve the multiplication equations below. The first one is done with Mr. McAndrew in the video. That's me, and this is a video, so let's do it. So we have 7 groups of 2. Okay, so I'm going to do 7 groups. I'm going to do 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in each group there are 2. So I'm going to do, let's try green this time. So I'm going to put 2 in each. Now I could draw 2 rectangles, I could draw 2 dots, right? It doesn't really matter what you draw as long as there's 2 of them. I could draw 2 stars, okay? I'm just going to do dots right now because it makes it a little bit easier. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups, and there's 2 in each group. So how much does that give me? So I have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. There's a lot of 2. So again, skip counting is awesome for this, right? So let's do it. 2, count with me, ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So that I skip counted by 2 7 times. So that gives me 14. Let's check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So that gives us 14. So we know that 7 groups of 2 is 14. 7 times 2 is the same as 14. Okay? So that's how you would do the first one. All right, pause the video and make sure you get that. We'll do the next one together, and then you'll know how to do the rest, okay? So pause. All right, so come on back. This time we only have the picture, just like last time. So how many groups do we have? 2 groups, okay? So we have 1 group here, and we have 1 group here, so that's 2 groups. And how many in each group? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does this one have 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so we have 2 groups of 7 is the same as how much? Well, let's look. 7 plus 7, I know that is 14. So 2 groups of 7 equals 14, which is the same as 2 groups of 7. So we have 2 times 7 equals 14, which is the same as 2 groups of 7. Okay, so that's what you want to do for each of the problems below. In some cases, it gives you the multiplication numbers, and in some cases, it just gives you the picture. All right, boys and girls, doing a great job. Keep it up, okay? Make sure you show this to your teacher if she asks you, and we'll talk to you soon. All right. Bye-bye.